that street bike coming up on us.
Alright.
Shoot him! Dumb motherfucker knocked me off my fucking bike.
Did he hit you?
You wanna play those fucking games?
Why are you aiming a gun at me? That was not me.
No, it
That was
wasn't
the dude
you?
on the-
Uh-huh.
It was the dude on the bright blue bike.
Oh, yeah. Why don't you call your buddy over here? Tell him to settle shit like a real man if he wants to.
I got you.
Motherfucker came up behind me, and then came up next to me and whacked me with a fucking baton.
The one on the yellow one?
I guess so, yeah. I thought that was yellow in my eyes, but then pulled up and it wasn't yellow.
Oh, no. You know, the yellow guy kept on zipping down the road. I'm sure these two know him, but
Oh,
oh
yeah.
well.
Oh, if I find him.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, I just want to make sure you're okay.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Yeah, I don't care if they know him or not. Those fucks are getting it, too. I'm not even playing with these bitches tonight.
Alright, I'm for it.
That was a hell of a headache.
Oh, hold on, I gotta turn it back on. Check. They're behind us. Looks like they're getting into it with that white pink car back there.
Good. Maybe he'll run them off the fucking road. Fucker was balls deep in that bush.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look to our left.
What's up, fellas?
How's it going, guys?
What's going on, boss?
Hey, y'all do me a favor. You don't have to get off. Just turn the bikes off so y'all can hear me.
I hear you just fine.
All right, so here's the deal, man. I want you guys to be safe. I want you guys to have fun cruising on. They're pretty awesome bikes. but I was pacing it over 90 mile an hour. So, can you do me a favor? Can you just slow it down a little bit?
Absolutely. Jesus Christ. 4 of you guys, are you fucking bored? It's absolutely
have
fucking
no-
ridiculous. Every time you
I
guys
agree.
fucking
Hey,
stop us.
I agree.
How's it going, sir?
Watch
What'd
this.
they
Hold
get
on.
stopped
Watch.
for?
I mean, I greatly appreciate it. This
That
is
is
getting fucking
ridiculous.
old.
Yeah, hold on.
Deputy here.
90 mile an hour. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'd be more than happy to slow it down for you,
I pulled
boss.
up, I seen him initiate a traffic.
All right,
So I just
anyway.
pulled up 10 lane window.
All right. So, yeah,
Kinda
just do me a
went
favor.
with
Just slow it
fast
down a little
with
bit.
him, you know what I mean?
You got it. Not a problem.
I appreciate it. Y'all have fun, man. Be safe.
All right, take care.
We're going.
Sweet.
What the hell, man? Why do we have 4 units on the traffic stop?
I'm a vice unit.
At least the cops getting irritated now that there are 4 of them.
Yeah, that's true. I'd be curious, yeah, never mind. I'll think about that some more.
But hey, at least he was nice to us.
That's true, he's respectful, and so he'll get treated with respect, you know? I don't think we were doing no 90 miles an hour, though.
No, I was doing about like 72, 75, something like that.
Yeah, I hope they realize that the speed that they got to do to catch up to you isn't with your pace stat, but whatever.
If they want to go with pacing, they gotta be next to us, but you know.
Oh my god, are you alright?
God damn.
Like, you turn out of fucking nowhere.
Carol, there's a cop on the highway on the other side. We're good. See that on Twitter?
There we go.
Damn.
Well, now, that guy is just an idiot.
Man fucked up to get a Black Hawk. Damn.
Never a fucking dull moment, huh?
No, never.
Holy shit. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that like? 7?
Easily. Oh, here comes more.
Holy shit. These
Did you guys see
guys.
a dude in all white running that way?
Ain't nobody run past here, man. Just
Damn it.
car
Alright,
drove in
thanks.
the bushes down that way. I gotta fucking tell you if he did.
God damn.
Holy shit. Fucking crazy up here. A little crazy, I must say.
Just a little bit.
Howdy.
Yeah, what's going on?
Not much. I'm, Ooh, there's a lot of shit going on over there.
Yeah, there's like 15 of them looking for one fucking guy. It's comical.
Oh, of course it is. So I'm actually...
You're actually...
Sorry
what?
about that. No, I got people on the phone in the Bluetooth. So I'm actually looking for y'all's lieutenant.
I might be able to get a hold of him for you. How can he help you?
Well, I am a sergeant of arms for Lost, and I'm looking to convert over to AOD.
So, why are you looking for the lieutenant?
Well, I believe he can help me with that.
I mean, most of the lieutenant's probably going to do is put a blade between your second and third ribs, but you know, yeah. I mean, I could run it up the cabinet and talk to them. So you know, Sarge, Prez, VP, see if we're
Right.
doing converts over, but chances are they're going to throw you into a prospect cut.
That's fine. There's nothing going on with law, so it's like I need to.
So you're the sergeant at arms for the
One of them.
Lost?
One of them, yeah.
One of them. How many do you have?
As far as I know, we had like 3 of us.
Oh,
Last I knew.
Okay.
Then again,
Let's
that information's outdated by like a month.
Let me get your phone number here.
Sure thing.
Fire away.
476 162 1452. Nothing's coming through. Hold on.
Did you put the dashes between the numbers there, DB?
Of course I did. Shoot that to me one more time.
Yeah, I put it on a note here. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with the phone.
God damn. Fucker's coming in hot.
Any of you guys hurt from the shots?
No.
Alright.
Nope.
Carol?
All right, there we got it. So what did they call you, Sarge?
I'm Ashley. We don't exactly have road names in law, so. I'm also one of y'all's bartenders over there for the bar up there.
All right. Well, you now got the phone number for the lieutenant, so.
Aha! Nice to know. So you're Roscoe then?
No,
No?
not Roscoe. Name's DB.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I only knew about Roscoe.
Ah, you're good. You're good. I've been called a lot of things, just not late for dinner.
Shit, I guess that's good. Being late for dinner fucking sucks.
So let me do this. I'll talk to some of the cabinet folks, let them know you're interested in coming over, and I'm sure we could probably figure something out for you. Like I said, most likely you're gonna get dropped down to a prospect patch at best, if not a hang around.
Right. That's fine.
All right. Yeah, I'll see if they're gonna be around tonight, and if not, maybe I can see if I can reach out through the email worlds and figure something out.
Sure thing. Thanks for the time.
Hey, anytime. Ride safe out there.
You too. Stay safe. Don't die. It's bad for your health.
Okay.
Holy shit, how many fucking sergeants do you need? Can you imagine if we
Yeah.
had more than one fucking karma?
Oh,
Good
Lord. Oh, people would be dead.
Obviously not very fucking attentive either. Like, can I
No.
talk to your lieutenant? I'm like, sure, no problem.
You know, just it doesn't say it on your cut at all.
Yeah, not at all. And why the fuck are they coming to the lieutenant? I don't decide who the fuck gets in. I just fucking hurt people.
Yeah.
Well, fuck a duck. I need to take a piss, and I hate the shitters here. I'm gonna run back to the clubhouse.
No, you're good.
These AI locals are just a special kind of stupid tonight.
I swear they have it out for me.
I think you got like a heat-seeking love triangle or target on you or something, bro.
Apparently.
Yeah, I figure sit around for a minute and just
Chill.
take
Yeah.
it in and see if, no,
Yeah.
my brain gets right with this Advil.
There's someone else asking for us.
Yeah, you're a popular group of folks tonight. All two
I
of us.
guess. Yeah. If it's another Lost member trying to come over, I'm honestly kind of curious what the fuck the Lost is doing.
I know, right? Makes you things that make you go, hmm.
Because yeah, if they want to come over, that'd be the third one who wants to come over.
Yeah. Oh, let's see what Big Pappy wants. Gonna call him Big Pappy though, like Pappy Smear. See how serious he is. See, it's still a quiet night.
For now.
All right, let's look at fucking Matchmaker, see if old Irish is on there.
Oh lord. I think this might be him here. No? Maybe? I don't know.
Bike over there to your left. Just
Yeah.
went riding down the way.
Yep. There he is down the way in front of us. Man's being awfully nosy.
The fuck is he doing? Are you gonna jump on Twitter and say, Big Poppy, if that's you riding around like a bitch, just come fucking say hi?
That would be that'd be one way.
Or you could just go stalk his ass and fuck him up.
I could.
You in the mood for fucking someone up?
Oh yeah, always.
Let's go fuck him up. How many circles are you gonna drive around us, dude? You got something to say? Fucking come say hi, say something. Jesus. Yeah? Yeah, spit it out.
That's cute. You wear a fucking mask.
What?
I said that's cute. You wear a mask.
You want to take it off? I'll take it off and plant a fucking kiss on your lips. That looks like an ugly face that I remember from somewhere.
Don't fuck shit from anybody around this fucking neck of the woods.
Were you trying to say something, dude? It sounds like you got a dick coming in out of your mouth. Like,
I said I don't fucking know anybody from this neck of the woods.
bro, you got a laryngectomy or something? Because your voice is just like fucking chop suey. Can you hear him, Irish?
Yeah, sort of.
Hey, my man.
Yeah.
Can we talk somewhere?
Something I can help you with? We can talk right here.
So I wanna get recruited. Well, I wanna recruit myself into AOD.
All right. Well, you got a bike?
Robin?
You got a bike?
Yes, sir.
All right, what kind of bike?
I got a Harley.
All right. I'd recommend coming around when we're all up in Polita.
All right, and what time will that be?
Give me 1 second.
Okay, you won't say?
Say, give me 1 second.
All right.
Hey, DB.
Yeah.
He's looking to be a hang around.
What, a truck? Not gonna happen.
That's what I said. He said he's got a Harley, so.
Okay. Get his info, and if he wants, you know, we can get a hold of him and maybe come hang out and ride with us. But I sure shit ain't gonna be in no cage.
Yeah. All right. Let me take down your phone number.
All right.
What the holy fuck?
Damn, that's shitty.
Motherfucker.
364.
Oh.
Wait, hold up. Hello?
Yep.
117.
All right.
400 0920.
Say it again.
117 400 0920.
Did you get that? 117 400 0620.
No, 0920.
Just go to the right. Roads mean nothing.
Hello?
Alright. What's your name?
My name is James. I live right around the corner if you want me to go get my bike.
We'll reach out to you if
Alrighty.
when we're all around.
Alright, thank you.
Yep. Motherfucker.
How's your bike? Is that alright?
Yeah.
Fuck's you I want.
Oh, there, I can actually hear you. That smoke must have cleared some shit up.
There's something like that.
Is that you, you ugly son of a bitch?
What the fuck's you?
The fuck's you? You know who it is. Doyle, man.
Y'all know. What the? Y'all far out of there.
What happened?
Said y'all know.
Oh my god, can you turn that off? I can't hear you.
What?
Your siren's on.
Oh, not on my end, but y'all can turn it off.
Oh, fuck, he ain't no fucking authority.
Yeah, wait a minute. Mason, right?
I don't know, fucking no Mason.
Is that better?
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Wow, we
thank
can
you.
actually hear you.
Now you were saying something?
Yeah, I was asking. Do y'all know what happened with that day out there?
Yeah, he parked his car and took a nap.
No. That's what I thought. I was just making sure. But
Yeah, he got real tired, you know, probably too much fucking beer or meth, and it couldn't be the meth or he wouldn't be sleeping.
Yeah. I know we have tow coming for it, so I'll be out of your house here in just a minute.
Right on, appreciate it.
Yep.
Okay, well, because you look like a guy I used to know named Mason, but apparently not. Must have a fucking twin.
I'm just fucking with you, brother. What's up, DB?
Oh, you know, same shit. Fucking Mason. This is Irish. Irish
The
is
fuck you
Mason.
rolling with?
My
Nice to
old
meet you.
fucking
Angels of Death.
yeah, old road captain when I was back in the Vikings MC, bro.
Nice to meet you, Lost.
In
Nice to meet
fact,
you.
he was banging Trip Nip. Am I wrong?
That was ages ago.
Right. Anyways, yeah, he's good people. When did you get in the fucking state, bro?
Not too long ago.
Shit, you looking to patch up?
I mean, I was kind of fucking, and I was driving around fucking Toledo, and then I fucking saw your, the fucking, is that you guys up there? I'm assuming by the fucking logo on the fucking door.
Might be. No, I don't answer questions.
Bull fucking shit. Suck my left nut.
Did you get him back out of Trip's purse?
Yep.
Good for you. Yeah, that's us up in Toledo, bro.
Okay. Yeah, fucking, I saw the shit, and then I saw you guys fucking down there. I'm like, oh, let's see how many fucking people these guys run deep, and I'm just kind of scouting you guys out.
Well, you know where to find us if you want to put that patch back on. I mean, you know you're going to have to go through bitch phase again, probably. Unless fucking, well, you know.
As long as I don't lose a... Did you get that fucking tooth fixed?
Fuck yeah, look at this shit, man.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, got it fixed. So, quick story for you, Irish. When I was prospecting, I was washing our sergeant's fucking bike up there. Not Karma, but our sergeant for Vikings. And I knocked the motherfucker over.
Nice one.
Yeah. Yeah, good old Harald, man, gave me a Norwegian ass kicking. Or no, Swedish ass kicking.
One of them fucking things.
Yeah, same thing. Yeah, so Mason used to be the road captain, and then I ain't seen him since I fucking left.
Well, I took that step down because I just had all kinds of shit going on. Wasn't able to fucking fulfill the hours that were needed.
I hear you.
And I started going down that fucking wrong path, you remember?
Yeah, well, you know where to fucking find us. Let me get your number, bitch. Whenever you're ready, boss.
601 1084. Yep, it's me, dickhead.
Pig fucker. All right. Well, if you decide you want to roll around, bro, hit me up.
What are you guys all about?
Well, we're going to get the fuck out of this shithole city, town, fucking whatever spit you want to call it. We're going to head back up to Toledo. You can ride around if you want to.
Sure. I ain't got fucking nothing better to do.
Come on. Hey, Irish.
Yeah.
Who was that other fucking idiot?
Said his name was James.
Name's James and he wants to fucking hang around, but he's driving a fucking truck.
Yeah. He said he said he lives down the street and his bike's at home.
You tweet out, want to meet up, and you show up in a fucking cage.
Yeah.
And 2 fucking liquor brain cells between them fucking ears.
I guess. Bug it. All right, let's have fun.
What the fuck happened to you, Doyle?